Chairperson of the panel, my co-panelists, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would first extend my heartfelt thanks to Narayanan sir for giving me this opportunity to come and share what we have done in terms of bringing about transparency in the organization by the way of using information technology. I really thank you, sir. At the outset, I would like to clear a little bit of misconception about the role of the Chief Vigilance Officer of an organization. Basically, the Chief Vigilance Officer of an organization is seen as the person with a danda in the hand, just trying to pick up people and punish them left and right, somebody with major penalty, minor penalty, blah, 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 blah. But this is not so. It is one of the most important and core functions of any vigilance functionary of a public sector undertaking to study the processes and systems of the organization in order to bring about a lot of transparency and accountability in the systems. So friends, as you all know, we have been discussing since morning about e-governance, and I do to a certain extent agree with the Chief Secretary of the State when he had said that the E is becoming redundant, because nowadays without E, the governance is not possible. I really subscribe to that view. But as you must have noticed since morning, what we have discussed, all the speakers that we have heard till now, the key word in this entire e-governance is the word called transparency. And that is where my role comes into being. Here I would like to share a very small definition of corruption, which I read somewhere and which really appealed to me. Corruption has been defined as discretion plus mystification minus accountability. It's a mathematical formula. Corruption rises with increase in discretion or mystification, or decreases decrease in accountability, and vice versa. Now, discretion here is the power to take decision. It is the discretion of a person कि हम tender file में ये कागज रखें या नहीं रखें. And the second thing is mystification. That is lack of transparency. So, in order to, having said that, now I will get back to the concept of how technology we have used in the Central Coalfields Limited to enhance transparency, to reduce discretion, and to ensure efficiency and accountability in the organization. At the outset, I would like to show you a small clipping, a little bit of animation. That's why I had to put my own laptop here, because there is a software which was not available in their laptop. So this is what we are planning to do regarding the big menace of coal theft and pilferage in the coal sector, which all the coal family members who are sitting here would be very well aware that suppose a truck goes with about, say, on the record, maybe 2,000 tons of coal, but probably the truck may be carrying something more than that. So in order to stop on a regular basis the pilferage and theft of coal in the Central Coalfield Limited, we are trying to adopt what is called as a GPRS-based vehicle tracking and RFID-based weighing control system along with CCTV for the entire CCL command area. This is already in the anvil, and it is going to happen maybe, like, knowing the way things work out in the government departments. I'm hopeful that within this year, calendar year, it should be fully implemented in the entire CCL area. However, it has been partly implemented as pilot project in some of the areas of CCL, and it is working well. The main objective is to monitor all the vehicles related to production, dispatch and sales in different coal areas in the command area of CCL. This is all vehicles which are maybe departmental vehicles also, and also outsourced. As you know, there are crores of transactions takes place in the transportation of coal, and these are all outsourced. Like different parties does it for CCL. So they also have to be monitored to generate various MIS reports related to production, dispatch and sale. This is another crucial aspect of the entire thing, because as of now, what I have seen in my term as CBO of the company, most of the reporting and all are based on telephonic figures or something which is not very does not have much of virtual footprints to fall back on. Of course, the main aspect is to prevent theft and pilferage of coal, improving the driver and operator productivity, and improving the dispatch activities. Here you can just understand what I am trying to say by this small clipping.